Hi, Sean Mosh, and I am here to show you what I got in the mail the other day. First off, I want to thank my partners at mycraftsource.com and at StarCraft Vinyl. They sent me this big package. I gave you a little sneak on my Instagram the other day saying that the package had arrived, but now we're going to open up the box and see what's inside. I want to introduce you to the brand new StarCraft Solo machine. I'm just going to read a few of the things right on the box. This is a quiet and fast machine with a high-res camera. It's got an LED touchscreen. The back over here says, "Say hello to the most flexible and powerful desktop cutter around." I am so excited to start to show you this machine and the software that goes with it. Because you know I love to teach you how to use your crafting tools, I started a new Facebook group called StarCraft Solo School by Sean Mosh. I will put the link in the description for this video so you can join it. And we're going to be talking about all the different ways you can use this machine and help you learn to understand the software. But before we start playing with software, let's take it out. So Create is the software program, and they have a little code here so you can connect right to that. So that is great. They make it nice and easy for you. We have a cutting mat. You can see it's longer than what we're used to with the 12 by 12 mats. I'm just going to lay this out because it did curl a little bit with shipping, but if I put a couple of stacks of cardstock on top of that, it'll be nice and flat. Okay, there's a little box inside the big box. All right, here we go. We have blades and a little container to hold our blades. And there's a pen. We have power and the cable to hook it up to the computer. I'm going to guess this is more power supply. Yep, more power. I get so excited. Okay, let's set that there. And now for the machine. It's wrapped in plastic, and we're probably going to do an overhead shot so you can see how nice it's packed in here, and then take it out. I like how much packing there is in here so it doesn't wiggle around. That makes sure everything stays nice and secure. We are going to look at some of the different buttons and features to make sure everything's aligned correctly. Now I'm going to take it out of the box so we can look at it a little closer. Now that the machine is out of the box, you can see it's wider than a lot of the machines that you're probably used to using. So the great thing about that is that means we have a wider cutting surface so we can cut even bigger projects. I did want to point out there's these little zip ties here, and you will cut these to release things before you start to craft with it. But I think just the way it's packaged and secured like this shows how StarCraft is really thinking about you as the user and making sure everything's protected and secured for you. So those of you that follow me know that I hate doing super long videos where you have to scroll through and fast forward to find what you want. So what I'm going to do for you here on my channel is a lot of short videos that get right to the point of here's how you turn it on and plug it in, and just lots of little, like a series of videos. So watch for that, subscribe to my channel, but watch for the brand new playlist called StarCraft Solo School by Sean Mosh, which is the same name as the Facebook group that you should go join. We'll probably go over just the panel in one video, and then we're going to have a whole bunch of videos using the Create software so you can explore that and learn to make amazing projects with your new Solo machine. I want to say thank you to my partners at mycraftsource.com and at StarCraft Vinyl. And I'm looking forward to exploring what this machine can do and teaching you how to make amazing projects with it.